sunrise paints the mud brick wall before the rooster starts his call. Your hands were busy, strong and true. A silent prayer, a promise new. Through every season, every time, your steady spirit, my safe guide. Oh, Acomodero, my guiding star. You carried us, no matter how far. Like a strong root, deep in the soil, you shield us from every toil. My Acomodero. Remember days the sun so high, a story told beneath the sky. Your laughter bright like morning dew made every burden feel brand new. From every harvest, every seed, you met our every single need. How did you weave a life so grand with just the strength of your two hands? Oh, walk within the heart you kept, even when the whole world slept. Such a love I can't explain, a melody through joy and pain. Oh, Acomodero, my guiding star, my guiding star. You carry us, you carry no matter how far, no matter how far. The strong root, deep in the soil, deep in the soil, from every toil. My Acomodero, my Acomodero, my Acomodero. Your love, the song that fools my soul. My Acomodero, my Acomodero, my Acomodero, my Acomodero, my Acomodero.